Hello students, this is Omkar Tomar, your English teacher, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Omkar English Classes. Students, in this video you will learn simple future tense or future indefinite tense. All the three sentences, affirmative, negative, interrogative, have been included in a single video. So students, you will learn how to frame future indefinite tense. Before watching it carefully, subscribe the channel if not subscribed and press the bell icon to get the latest modules on grammar and literature.
Tense. The tense is time. It shows the time of action. In which time what is being done, we can learn from tenses. Students, the types of tenses are three. Number one, present. Number two, past. And number three, future. These three tenses have been further divided into four tenses: indefinite tense or simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. It means present has four parts, past has four parts, future has four parts. All the three tenses have equal four parts.
Future indefinite tense or simple future tense. Students, how to identify the particular sentence that in which the particular sentence is. So, to identify the tense of future indefinite, we see in the end of sentences in Hindi, we find the words ga, ge, gi. This tense also expresses the happening of an action in future. For example, अब मैं घर जाऊंगा. So students, you can see the last word ga. Now I shall go home. आज वह स्कूल नहीं जाएगी. Today she will not go to school. क्या पुलिस चोर का पीछा करेगी? Will police run after the thief? So students, as you know, each and every tense has further been divided into three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. So this tense also has three types of sentences. Affirmative sentence. Rule 1. Use shall with I and we. Students, I and we are the first persons, so with I and we use shall in future indefinite tense. Rule 2. Use will with all other subjects. Students, except I and we use will with all other subjects. The formula is subject, will or shall, according to the subject, first form of the verb, and object. Example, I shall study late at night today. मैं आज रात देर से देर तक पढ़ूंगा. We have used shall with I. My grandmother will tell us stories at night. Students, something is important now. Normally, we use shall with I and we, and will with other subjects. But if the sentence is emphatic, means अगर किसी सेंटेंस को ज़्यादा जोर दे के बोला गया है जस्ट लाइक मैं घर जरूर जाऊंगा। तो जरूर के लिए हम कोई इंग्लिश यूज नहीं करते, बल्कि हम शैल को विल में और विल को शैल में चेंज कर देते हैं। मीन्स हेल्पिंग वर्ब वी रिवर्स व्हेन वी फाइंड एन एम्फेटिक सेंटेंस। यूज विल with I and V and use shall with all other subjects. Example, you shall send your work to me today. तुम आज मुझे अपना वर्क जरूर भेजोगे। जरूर भेजोगे, तो जरूर के लिए इंग्लिश यूज नहीं की हमने। हमने जो यू के साथ विल आता था उस विल को शैल में चेंज कर लिया। तो स्टूडेंट्स कीप इट इन माइंड, use of shall and will. All other examples of using the reverse helping verb is for firm determination. जब कोई दृढ़ निश्चय कर ले किसी काम को करने का, तो उसमें भी हम लोग shall को will और will को shall में चेंज करके लिखते हैं। बट इसमें हम डेफिनेटली या फिर जरूर की इंग्लिश यूज नहीं करते। Negative sentence. We see no, not, never, nothing, nobody, etc. in a negative sentence. The formula is subject, will or shall, not or never, first form of the verb, and object. Examples: he will tell me nothing about her. So students, we have not used no or never or not. We have used nothing. Or you can frame the sentence like this: he will not tell me anything about her. अगर हम anything यूज करते हैं तो not यूज करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर हमने nothing यूज कर लिया तो not यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। I shall never lift this bag. Tomorrow we shall not celebrate his birthday. You will never read this book. They will not go to see the Taj Mahal. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is of two types: yes or no type and WH type. So in yes or no type, we use helping verb before subject. Formula will be will, shall, subject, not, never, first form of the verb, object with a question mark. Example: shall we go to market after some time? Will they go to Delhi to search for job? WH type sentence. Formula will be WH word means question word, will, shall, subject, not, never, first form of the verb, and object with a question mark. Examples: how will we go out in this dark night? हम इस अंधेरी रात में बाहर कैसे जाएंगे? Which film will they watch tonight? वे आज रात कौन सी फिल्म देखेंगे? Now, in case of who, the formula will be who plus will, shall plus first form of the verb and object. Examples: who will knock the door? Who will beat you? Who will do all this? Now it's time for exercise. Use the correct verbs and helping verbs in the blanks given. So students, watch and read the rules and formulas carefully and fill in the blanks. and send it to me as soon as possible.
So students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel because you as well as others can take advantage of this useful video on tenses in the easiest way. Don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest and important videos on grammar and literature of class 9th to 12th. This video is also useful for beginners like class 6 to 8 also. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.